welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Today is my vlog number 15 and I'm going to show you how to make my own version of sugar cookie in a mug. With crisp edges, thick center, and room for lots of decorating icing, I know you'll love these sugar cookies. Use your favorite mug and try my classic royal icing. I'm so excited to try this colorful cookie. Follow me! I'm so excited. Let's do this. Bring it on! Ooh, the color looks fancy. And it smells good as well. Ooh! This is epic! This actually tastes really good. I love the texture. It's so crunchy and crisp, and it's not so sweet. I absolutely love this recipe. I really encourage you guys to try this at home. They are so delicious and super easy to make. They are also single serving. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the big thumbs up and comment down below on other things you want to see, and we'll make it happen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow, but on the next day. Peace out.